Hey guys, this is Venkat and thank you all for your support and suggestions. In this video, I would like to expose this medium to various markers so we all can understand the behavior of the medium. In other words, let's do a simple regression test. Here I have two sheets, but we are going to scribble on one of the sheets so we can do a comparison with the other sheet at the end of the test. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that this sheet wasn't designed for any specific dry erase marker, as it accepts wide range of markers. I like the correctable marker because of the eraser tip, which is kind of a handy in most cases. Okay, let's get started. The first one is the non-permanent marker. Here is the correctable marker, which are very familiar. Here is the classic Expo dry erase marker. The next one is the Crayola washable dry erase marker. This is the Outline poster marker. Here is the graffiti fabric marker, which we can use on fabrics. This is the Sharpie paint marker. And here's another Sharpie metallic silver marker. Usually this marker is used for darker backgrounds. Here's the classic highlighter from Staples. This one is the magnetic dry erase marker, which we use it on magnetic boards. Here's the Deco Color acrylic paint marker. Okay, now let's see how much we can wipe using a paper towel. As you can see, it creates some smudges as I wipe, but don't worry, we'll get that out in a moment. Obviously, certain marker inks went away, but still we have some leftovers. But before that, let's do a quick comparison on how far we are compared to a brand new sheet. Now I'm going to use a water sprayer to see if a little wetness will do the magic. Let me spray the water. I'm spraying 3 times. Now let me use the paper towel. Okay, some marks went away, but still there are some more. Now I'm going to use the dry eraser and see if that will work. Here we go. And I'm applying a little pressure though here. Now you can see that we are almost there. I'm going to do one more spray of water to ensure there are no stains. There we go. Okay, let's now compare with our brand new sheet and see if we can find any difference. Okay, that looks good to me compared to the mess we did. But on a closer look, I can still see very little stains over here. I think you cannot see that in the video. But again, it's a regression test to understand more about the product. I'm sure that these leftover stains might be because of some combination of marker inks. As you know, in any dry erase product, the eraser makes a huge difference. If you're continuously using the eraser, just use your fingers to tap the eraser tip so that the dry erase powder goes away. Let me show you what I mean. Let's first scribble a smaller area. Okay, let me erase using the pen tip eraser. Now as you can see, there are no smudges or stains. Now let's scribble on a larger area. And then try to erase without cleaning the eraser tip. Let me clean that. As you can see, when I tilted the pen, it tends to leave some stains. But let's go ahead and use the other eraser, which is kind of a little bigger. So in that way we can compare. Now you can see the left side is much cleaner than the right side. But of course, you can simply wipe those right stains using a paper towel. Good. Now let me go ahead and place the blank new sheet on top of this so that you can compare. Here we go. Okay, good. I hope this video helped you to understand more about the product and the behavior. Again, this sheet will work with any dry erase or non-permanent markers as long as you have a good eraser. Now, if there are any smudges for some reason, just with little dampness, you should be able to remove the marks. Couple of things I feel that larger eraser was handy for us to erase large areas. The other thing was using the mini water sprayer, which was also handy, so we don't have to run for water. I will confirm to all the backers if it's possible for me to supply the eraser and the water sprayer. But again, this is very early for me to confirm, but I will get back to you on those two items. And I feel that these little things, which is the eraser and the water sprayer, will help you in keeping the notebook clean. Okay, that's all for now, guys.